Hi everyone. In this video, I'll be troubleshooting this particular problem. So I'm just logging to my storefront portal. So after logging in, once I click on Design Team VDI, it throws the error cannot start desktop Design Team VDI. So this is the most common issue you will come across in the Citrix environment. So it says cannot start desktop Design Team VDI. So you can check a couple of things actually. So you can check the status of this particular machine in the backend environment. So what I'm going to do is the very first thing is I would like to check the status of this machine in the Zen server. So I'm going to my Zen server machine here. If you see here, so this is the machine VDI machine 02. Let me click on console. So it seems like the machine is still booting up. Okay, so it takes a few seconds to show that. Yes, if you see now, it's still booting up. Yes, it's almost there. So this could be the reason why we were getting this error message, cannot start desktop. So let me click on Design Team VDI once again. Let's see how it goes. Okay, it still says cannot start desktop Design Team VDI. Let me click OK. And let me go back to the Zen server console, Zen Center console. Okay, so this machine is completely up. It's up and running fine. Let me check this second machine, VDI machine 001. So this machine is also up. This machine is also up. So both the machines are up and running, but it seems like the machine is still not launching. Okay, now it's time to launch the Citrix Studio console to check the status of these machines. Okay, let me go to search. I'm going to type Studio. So this is Citrix Studio console. We can check the status of the VDI machines, whether they are in registered state or unregistered state. So this is going to take a minute. So please bear with me. So in the meanwhile, let me go back to the client PC and let me try to launch the VDI. It still throws cannot start desktop Design Team VDI. So you will come across this error quite often in the Citrix environment if you have any issues launching VDI. And this happens due to multiple reasons. This happened due to multiple reasons. But the very first thing that you can do is you can check the status of this VDI machine, whether they are in power on state or power off state, whether they are in hung state or something. So if the machine is already up, in that case you can just check the status of the VDI machines in the console. So yeah, it's still coming up. So if the machines are in unregistered state, in that case you can log into the machines and you can start troubleshooting why the machines are in unregistered state. Okay, seems like it is taking some time. Okay, in the meanwhile, it says the snap-in is not responding. To return to MMC and check the status of the snap-in, click cancel. Okay, I'm going to click cancel. Okay, seems like Citrix Studio has launched successfully. Okay, so this is a Citrix Studio console where you can manage the entire Citrix infrastructure. As a Citrix administrator, you can do a lot of things here. Okay, let me go to my delivery groups. Okay, so uh, this is the delivery group that I'm trying to troubleshoot. So if you see here, this machine is not in unregistered state. Okay, the machine is in registered state here. It's not in unregistered state. Okay, so looks absolutely fine. Okay, it's in a registered state. Okay, let me check the other delivery group as well. So this is another delivery group, uh, man, which is HR department virtual desktop. So let me click on it. Okay, this machine is also in registered state. Okay, both the machines are in registered state. Okay, let me go back. Let me go back and try to launch the machine and see how it goes. Okay, it throws cannot start desktop design team VDI, but the machine is in registered state. Okay, let me try to launch server OS machine and see how it goes. Okay, seems like it is trying to do something. Okay, it's trying to launch the server OS machine, so let's see how it goes. So yeah, it's coming up. Seems like it is launching fine, but let's wait for a minute and see. Okay, it's almost there. Okay, we could launch this VDI machine absolutely fine. Okay, so this machine is up without any issues. Now, what we can do is let me try to launch another machine. Okay, let me try to launch another machine. So let me minimize this, and this is the other machine that I was trying to launch, design team VDI. Okay, it throws the same error. It says cannot start desktop design team VDI. Okay, let me go back to the console, and the status is still registered. The status is registered. Okay, let me click on delivery groups. Okay, design team VDI. If you see here, it is in registered state, but we have challenges launching this particular VDI machine. Okay. So in this case, what we can do is let's try to log into this particular machine. Okay, let's try to log into this particular machine. For that, we need to know the IP address and other details. Okay, the IP address is 192.168.25.139. So what I would like to do is, okay, let me try to take RDP and see how it goes from here. Okay. Okay, so this is a VDI machine 001. Let me click on connect and see how it goes. Okay, it is asking for the password. So let me give my password. Okay, so it is taking a few seconds. So once we connect to this particular VDI machine, we'll check the status, like we'll check the services and other things. We'll check the connectivity. But the machine is in registered state. Okay, we are almost there. Okay, so we have taken RDP to the VDI machine successfully. So let's check a couple of things. Let's check a couple of things before we go back and try to launch the VDI machine. Okay, let me go to search. Let me type services, services. Okay, so I've launched the services console. Okay, let me click on startup type. Okay, all the Citrix related services are up and running fine. Everything is looking good and the machine is in registered state as well. So let me try to launch one more time and see how it goes. Okay, it throws the same error. Cannot start desktop design team VDI. Okay. Okay, in this case, what I would like to do is I would like to restart the service. So Citrix desktop service manages communication between the delivery controller and the virtual desktops. It handles initial brokering of the connections, setting for connections and interaction with the sessions. So seems like the service is in a running state, but it seems like it is not responding. What I would like to do is I would like to restart the service just for troubleshooting purpose. I'm going to restart the service. Okay, we have restarted the Citrix desktop service successfully. Now let me go back to the client PC as an end user, and now I'm going to launch the design team VDI. Okay, it is still throwing the same error. Cannot start desktop design team VDI. Let me click OK. Okay, let me log off and log in again. Okay, okay. Let me do one thing. Let me go back to the machine, the VDI machine. So everything looks good here. Let me close this. Let me go to search. I'm going to check the firewall settings once. Okay, so okay, firewall is fine. So firewall seems disabled at the moment, so it should be okay. Let me click on advanced settings. Okay, everything looks fine. Okay, now let me log off from this machine once. I'm going to log off from this machine. Okay, now I'm going to launch it and see how it goes. Okay, I'm going back to the client PC machine. I'm going to click on design team VDI. Okay, it still throws the same error. Cannot start desktop design team VDI. Okay, so this is going to be very interesting. Let me go back. Okay, let me check a couple of things again. Okay, let me go back to controller once and check the services. Uh, okay, all the services are up and running fine. Okay, if you see here, okay, all the Citrix related services are up and running fine. Okay, where is Citrix broker service? Okay, this is Citrix broker service. I'm going to restart for troubleshooting purpose. Okay. Okay, looks fine. Okay, everything looks good. Let me go back and let me try to launch client design team VDI and see how it goes. Okay, it throws the same error, cannot start desktop design team VDI. Okay, let me go back to the VDI machine. Okay, I logged in. Let me check a few more things actually. Let me check the network connection details. Okay, so this machine is part of the domain. Let me go to properties, IPv4. Okay, it is pointed to the right DNS server, which is absolutely fine. Let me go back to Active Directory. Okay, I'm going to quickly check the IP address of this particular machine. Okay, it is 192.168.25.130. Okay, if you see here, okay, it is pointing to the right DNS server, which is absolutely fine. Okay, everything looks good actually. Everything looks good. Let me cancel this. Let me cancel this. Okay, let me quickly ping this controller once. So this is my controller. Let me check a couple of things quickly. Okay, I got it. So let me cancel this. Let me go back. So it is actually controller.vdilab.com. And I'm going to hit enter. Okay, we could ping the controller without any issues. So connectivity is absolutely fine. And let me do a ping from controller to the VDI machine. Okay, let me minimize this, and I'm going to ping the VDI machine from the controller. Okay, VDI machine 001.vdilab.com-t. Let me hit enter. Okay, we can ping the machine. Okay, there is no connectivity issue. Okay, let's do one thing. Let me go back to my VDI machine. I'm going to quickly do a flush. Okay, everything looks good. Let me cancel this. Let me cancel this. Everything looks good at this point. Let me log off from this machine once. Okay, I did log off. Okay, I'm going to cancel this. Let me go back to client PC and I'm going to launch. Okay, it says cannot start desktop design team VDI. Let us check whether this machine is in maintenance mode or something. Okay, if you see here, the maintenance mode is on this particular machine. So this is my bad actually. So this machine was under maintenance and I did not check it. So this is the reason why I couldn't launch the VDI machine. So let me just, turn off the maintenance mode. So these are some simple things that we may miss. So let me turn off the maintenance. So I did turn off the maintenance. Okay, now everything should look good. Let me try to launch the VDI machine and it should launch immediately. Okay, the machine is up. Yeah, we could connect to the VDI machine successfully through Citrix. All right, so when we started the video, we had issues launching these VDI machines. We troubleshooted the issue, and we could launch the VDI machines by the end of the video. So I really hope you find this information helpful. I know it's a very long video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.